Hi everyone, welcome back to English Flow Studio. I'm Emma, and I'm here with Ryan.
Today, we're going through 10 real, uncomfortable hotel problems you might face. A noisy room, a forgotten keycard, or air conditioning that simply won't work.
We skip the rules and teach you the soft, simple English you need to feel calm and confident in real hotel moments.
All right, let's start with the first moment you might face. You want to leave your luggage.
So, you arrive at the hotel. It is too early for you to enter the room. You feel tired, the suitcase feels heavy, and you want to go out and explore. But you think, how do I ask to leave my bags here?
Yes, this moment feels awkward for many travelers. You do not need big grammar. You only need one soft sentence.
You can say, could I leave my luggage here?
Let's hear how it sounds in a real moment.
Hi, could I leave my luggage here?
Of course, we can keep it for you.
Thank you. What time should I pick it up?
Anytime before 10 tonight.
Perfect. Thank you so much. This question is soft, short, and very natural. It helps you start your day without stress.
And you do not need to explain your whole story. You do not need to say why you arrived early. Just the simple sentence is enough.
After you leave your bags, there is another moment you might face. You want food, water, coffee, but you do not know the area. You want to ask the hotel for help, but you want to sound soft and natural.
Many learners become shy here. They worry about disturbing people. But the sentence is very simple.
You can ask, could you recommend something nearby?
You can also make it more specific. Could you recommend any restaurants nearby? Is there a supermarket near the hotel?
These sentences are very kind and very useful. Hi, could you recommend any restaurants nearby?
Yes, there is a very good place one street away.
Nice. And is there a supermarket near the hotel?
Yes, 2 minutes on the right.
That helps a lot, thank you.
Could you recommend is friendly, polite, and never too strong. It shows interest, not pressure.
And when you ask nearby, the staff will always understand that you want something close and easy. So you sit down in the lobby, you open your phone, you try the Wi-Fi, and suddenly nothing works. Or the staff told you a password, but you are not sure you heard it correctly.
This moment happens to almost every traveler, and sometimes we feel embarrassed to ask again. But the English you need is very simple.
You can say, I'm having trouble with the Wi-Fi, or the Wi-Fi isn't working for me.
Or, if you want to check the password again, could you tell me the Wi-Fi password again?
These sentences are soft. You are not blaming anyone. You are only saying the situation. Hi, I'm having trouble with the Wi-Fi.
No problem. Let me check it for you.
Thank you. Could you tell me the password again?
Sure. It is Sunshine123.
Great. Thank you so much.
This is all you need. Short, clear English, no long details, no stress.
And once the Wi-Fi works, your whole trip becomes easier. Now, this moment is very real for many travelers. You enter your room, you put down your suitcase, and suddenly you notice something strange. Maybe the room feels too noisy. Maybe there is a strong smell. Or maybe it doesn't feel clean enough.
And you think, I do not want to sound rude, but I really do not feel comfortable here.
There is a soft and simple way to ask. You can say, I'm not very comfortable with this room. Is it possible to change to another one?
It's gentle, honest, and never too strong. Let's hear how it sounds in a quiet, real moment.
Hi, I'm not very comfortable with this room.
I understand. What seems to be the problem?
It feels a bit noisy for me.
No problem. Let me see if we have another room.
Thank you. I would really appreciate that.
We have a quieter room on the 5th floor.
That sounds perfect. Thank you so much. Notice the phrase, a bit noisy for me. It is soft and personal. You are not blaming anyone. You are only sharing how you feel.
And the phrase, I would really appreciate that, keeps everything warm and polite.
After you finally settle in, you might face another problem. You try the air conditioning, and the room stays warm. Or you want heat, but only cold air comes out.
And sometimes the buttons feel confusing. Too many icons, too many numbers, and you worry about pressing the wrong thing.
You can use one simple sentence. The air conditioning isn't working for me.
Or, if you want it softer, I'm having trouble with the air conditioning.
Let's hear it in a calm, real conversation. Hi, I'm having trouble with the air conditioning.
What seems to be the issue?
The room is still very warm.
I understand. I can send someone to check it.
Thank you.
It might take 10 minutes.
No problem. I really appreciate your help.
When you say, I'm having trouble with, the staff knows you are calm and that you only want help.
And you do not need to say what temperature you want. Just explain the situation in simple words. And now, a moment that makes many travelers panic. You turn on the shower. You wait, and the water stays cold. Or the water pressure feels too weak.
This moment can feel stressful because you're tired, you want a warm shower, and you do not know how to explain the problem.
The soft sentence is, the hot water isn't working for me. Or, the water pressure is very weak.
Let's listen to how you can say it calmly.
Hi, the hot water isn't working for me.
I'm sorry about that. I can send someone to check it.
Thank you.
It should be fixed soon.
I appreciate your help. Thank you so much. Short sentences are best here. You do not need to explain everything. You only need to say what is happening.
And most hotels will help you very quickly when the problem is clear and calm.
Now let's talk about something very common. You enter your room, you put down your bags, and suddenly you notice something is missing. Maybe there is only one towel. Maybe you want more water. Maybe you cannot find slippers or a toothbrush.
These things seem small, but when you need them, you really need them. And many travelers feel shy to ask. But the English is very simple.
You can use one soft question. Could I have some extra...
Extra towels, extra water, extra toilet paper, extra slippers, extra anything. It fits every item.
Let's listen to a calm example. Hi, could I have some extra towels?
Of course. How many do you need?
2 would be great. Thank you.
No problem. We will bring them to your room.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Could I have some extra? Is the softest and clearest way to ask for something in a hotel.
And if you want the item delivered to your room, you can simply add, could you bring them to my room?
Short, soft, and very natural.
After a few hours in the room, you might need something a little different. Maybe you want the room cleaned. Maybe you want privacy. Or maybe you want a wake-up call for the next morning.
These moments feel small, but many learners are not sure how to ask for them in English.
The good news is the language is very soft and very simple.
If you do not want cleaning, you can say, "Could you please not clean the room today?" Or, "I don't need housekeeping today."
Very gentle, very clear. The staff will understand immediately.
And if you do want cleaning, you can say, "Could I have housekeeping today?"
Let's hear how it sounds. Hi, could I have housekeeping today?
Sure. What time would you prefer?
Around 2 in the afternoon would be perfect.
No problem. We will arrange that.
Thank you so much.
And sometimes you may also need a wake-up call.
The sentence is simple. Could I have a wake-up call at 7 tomorrow morning?
Hi, could I have a wake-up call at 7 tomorrow morning?
Of course, we will call you at 7.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
Thanks. You too.
These requests may sound formal, but the English is extremely light and friendly. You do not need long sentences, just calm and simple words.
And when you speak softly, hotel staff always respond with kindness too. Now, here comes a moment many travelers know too well. You step out for just 1 minute, or you go downstairs to buy a drink, and then you realize your keycard is inside the room.
Or the keycard suddenly stops working. You tap it again, nothing. And you stand there thinking, okay, what do I say now?
You can use this soft, simple sentence. My keycard isn't working. Or, I left my keycard in the room.
Let's hear it in a calm, real moment. Hi, my keycard isn't working.
No problem. I can make a new one for you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Here you go. It should work now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your evening.
Thanks, you too.
Short sentences are perfect here. You do not need to explain the whole situation. Just say what happened.
And hotel staff hear this problem many times a day, so they will help you quickly and kindly.
And there is one more moment almost every traveler meets. You want to charge your phone, you plug in the charger, and nothing happens.
Yes, you try another plug, you check your cable, still nothing. Or your plug simply does not match the socket in that country.
The English here is very simple. You can say, "The socket isn't working," or, "Do you have an adapter?"
Let's hear how this sounds in a gentle, real moment. Hi, the socket isn't working.
Okay, let me check it for you.
Thank you.
It may be a loose switch. I can send someone to fix it.
I appreciate your help.
And if you need an adapter, we have one at the front desk.
That would be great. Thank you so much.
The socket isn't working is short, gentle, and very clear. You do not need technical words, just a simple sentence.
And do you have an adapter is a very useful question in many countries.
And these were 10 real hotel problems you might face during your stay. Not the big steps, just the small, honest moments when you need simple English.
We hope these gentle dialogues help you feel calm and confident the next time you travel.
If you enjoy learning with us, feel free to subscribe. It helps more learners find this peaceful space.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Take care and see you in the next episode.